Hello Super Mobile fans, happy day to you all. Thanks for subscribing to this channel. I appreciate your support and I will be giving away the Technospark 4 to one lucky supporter and subscriber of this channel. Kindly click on the link above or in the description below to enter the giveaway. Good luck to everyone. The Infinix S5 was launched in India 3 weeks ago, and in a few days it will be launched in Africa alongside the S5 LITE version, which will also be launched soon in India. In that video, I shared with you guys the major upgrades and downgrades in the Infinix S5 from the previous model S4. This video will show you the major downgrades in the specifications of the Infinix S5 LITE from the S5. The S5 LITE will still have the same screen size and resolution. I guess we are in the era of big displays. The S5 LITE selfie camera is sadly downgraded to a big but small 8 megapixel AI camera, but we still have the same camera software features. Another major downgrade is in the rear cameras. The S5 LITE will have a dual 30 megapixel plus 2 megapixel AI cameras. But why not a triple camera at least? I guess this was done to remove the heavy weight of the extra 2 camera lenses from the S5 so that the S5 can be light. I think this is why it is called the Infinix S5 LITE. Just joking. So there will be no wide angle lens but still has a dual tone quad LED flash. There will also be no macro lens in the S5 LITE. The S5 LITE will also have the same 3D glass on the back and 2.5D glass on the front, but it will not have the crystal feather back design. Instead, it will have the same glossy back design like the S4. The S5 LITE also has the same triple card slot with dual 4G standby mode. The S5 LITE will retain the 4GB RAM, but the internal memory has been stepped down to 32GB, which is still reasonable. At least you get a MediaTek Helio P22 Octacore 12nm processor at a cheaper price. The S5 LITE will also have the same 4000 mAh battery capacity. So this means that the battery department was not tampered with. So here are the major differences between the Infinix S5 and S5 LITE. Like I said earlier, another major difference is in the glass back design. The S5 has a crystal feather pattern under the glass, while the S5 LITE has a glossy shiny plastic under the glass. Additionally, the S5 and S5 LITE has two similar colors, Quetzal Cyan and Cosmic Purple, while only the S5 LITE has a special edition mirror white color. These are exciting colors. From my calculations, here are the Nigerian prices to expect for both smartphones. I guess these are fair prices in my opinion. So what do you guys think about these two smartphones from Infinix? Is it a good move? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to enter the Technospark 4 giveaway contest. Link in the description below. Good luck to you all. Thanks for watching. Talk to you in my next video. Remain humble. Bye.
Infinix is more than brand, it's a family.
Infinix. The future is now.